How does disk partitioning use primary partitions? Imagine your computer's hard drive as a big digital filing cabinet. To keep things organized, you can divide this cabinet into smaller sections called partitions. Now, some of these sections are called primary partitions, and they play a key role in how your computer starts up and runs. When you install an operating system like Windows or Linux, you need at least one primary partition. This is because the computer's firmware, which is like its basic startup program, looks for a specific primary partition marked as active. This active primary partition contains the bootloader, a tiny program that kicks off the operating system. Without at least one primary partition, your computer can't find the right files to start up properly. In older systems that use the master boot record scheme, a hard drive can have up to 4 primary partitions. If you need more, you can convert one of these primary partitions into an extended partition. This extended partition acts like a container, holding multiple logical partitions inside it. But remember, only primary partitions can be set as active and used to boot the system. Modern computers often use the GID partition table scheme, which doesn't limit the number of partitions the same way. Instead, it uses a different method called basic data partitions, which serve the same purpose as primary partitions. These are the sections where the operating system files and boot files are stored. When setting up a new computer or installing an operating system, you usually create at least one primary partition on an MBR disk or a basic data partition on a GID partition table disk. This partition will hold the operating system and the bootloader, making it possible for the computer to start up. Other partitions on the drive can be used for storing personal files, creating backups, or installing additional operating systems. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS all depend on primary or equivalent partitions during installation and startup. The main idea is that primary partitions are the essential sections of your disk that your computer uses to begin the process of running your operating system smoothly.